In this video I will show you how to use Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. It is mainly done to support legacy websites and applications that may not work in modern browsers. So for this, open Edge browser, then click on three dot at the top, then click on Settings. Then on the left, click on Default Browser. Change the status to allow for IE mode as shown here. Then click on Reload button. It will close and reopen Edge browser. Then open those legacy websites you want to visit in IE mode. To view this website in Internet Explorer mode, click on three dots at the top. Then click on Reload in Internet Explorer mode. This is how it looks in Internet Explorer mode. Click on the Explorer icon just before address bar and then toggle on all option if you want to open this website always in Internet Explorer mode. Click on Open in Microsoft Edge button to open website in Edge browser. You can also add specific website to always open in Internet Explorer as shown here. You can see now this website will open in IE mode by default. You will also get switch like button next to extension where you can switch website from Edge to IE mode and vice versa. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.